Hey there, this is Will with SCP Financing, and we've got another property I wanted you guys to take a look at. This is 1170 Dickerson Pike, number 2. This is a townhome, and it's $349,000. This is Goodlettsville, just outside of Nashville. Nice big open concept living area, kitchen. There's 9-foot ceilings in here. Downstairs, full bathroom. Coat closet here. This is your downstairs bedroom. It is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms total. Very newly constructed house. Again, this is a townhome. And you got your double fridge. Got a utility storage closet, whatever you need here. Upstairs, right at the top of the stairs, we've got laundry. Comes with this washer and dryer. Got 1 bedroom. It's 9-foot ceilings upstairs also. This one's got double vanity and shower, glass door. And this whole wall over here is closets. No, the whole thing is closets. You've got water heater, got a mechanical closet here. And then the last bedroom. Big closet here again. And this bedroom also has a bathroom in it. I guess it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. So if you're interested in this house or any other houses for owner financing, please reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you a little bit. Thanks.